Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss on lesson 2, name of the chapter noun, class 7th English grammar. So students, you have been reading about nouns for last few years, so it's not a new thing or new chapter for you. All of you know a noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a person, place, animal, thing or event. Here in these sentences, as you can see on the screen, China and India are the two most popular countries. In second sentence, Janko Tabe was the first woman to climb Mount Everest, and in third, Ankush is playing in the playground. Here, China, India, countries, Janko Tabe, woman, Mount Everest, Ankush, and playground, guard, or students. All of them are nouns, but they are different so there are actually 5 types of nouns are there: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. So what are common nouns? A common noun is a name given to any person, place, thing, or emotion of the same class or kind. For example, student. The word student can be used for all boys and girls who go to school. Similarly, the word boy can be used for all the boys. Here, two more examples are given over. You can see a choreographer is a person who choreographs dances. Here, the word choreographer, it represents all the teacher who used to choreograph the dances. Person, it related to any of the persons in this world, whether it can be a male or female. Dance, it's a kind of art form. Okay, so commonly these words represents to a kind or class of nouns. Second example, the train drew at the platform at 8 o'clock. Train, it's a kind of conveyance. It's a kind of car like thing. So train represents all the kind of trains of the world. Now proper noun. A proper noun is a name given to some particular person, place, animal or thing. For example, Danish can be the name of a particular student and not all students. Similarly, Alex can be the name of the particular dog and not all dogs. See here, common noun and proper noun have some similarities, but the basic difference is common noun tells us about the whole class or kind of that species, but proper noun gives us some particular name of that person, place, animal or thing. As you can see here, info pack, in this part you better just look carefully. You will get to know what is the basic difference between common noun and proper noun. Here left side column you can see common nouns, below that boy, girl, teacher and prime minister is written, and just next to it proper noun is written, and Rohit, Vaidehi, Mr. Shovit Jain and Jawaharlal Nehru. Now look, boy, boy, it's a kind, it's a boy represents to a whole class or kind of species, and Rohit is a particular boy. Rohit is a particular boy. Like this way, girls represent the whole species of the girl, but Vaidehi is a particular name of a girl. Like this way, teacher is the whole class of or kind of person who used to teach. But Mr. Shobhit Jain is a particular, is a certain teacher, certain name of a person who is a teacher. Like this way, Prime Minister represents to the whole class who used to rule on the democratic country. But Jawaharlal Nehru is a certain and particular name of a Prime Minister of India. So is it clear? common noun gives us the whole kind or group or species name, but proper noun gives us a particular name of that class or kind. Clear, beta? Now, third, collective noun. Collective noun is the name of a number or collection of person, thing or animal taken together and spoken as a whole. For example, a group of soldiers is called an army or squadron. Collective noun is uh, the name of a group or collection. जैसे कई कई पक्षी एक साथ यदि उड़ता है या कई गाय बकरा या इस तरीके से मवेशियाँ एक साथ रहते तो हम हिंदी में क्या कहते, एक झुंड, एक दल, एक टीम, एक झुंड पक्षी उड़ते हुए जा रहे हैं. तो हियर झुंड, दल, team, these kind of words actually gives us a sense of collection. So these kind of words are called collective nouns. Here you can see two more examples are given. Gradually a fleet appeared on the horizon far in the ocean. Here fleet means a group of ships or collection of ships. Second, the committee has decided to put the proposal to vote. Here committee represents a certain group or collection of people. Okay. So when a certain group or collection is represented through some nouns, that would be regarded as collective noun. Material noun. A material noun denotes the matter or substance of which things are made of, which is found in the earth. For example, wool, cotton, silk, sugar, honey, milk, wood, gold, iron, grain, rice, water, etc. Material noun. What are materials? Materials are that substance or matter through which objects can be made. Simply, for example, suppose an earring, कान के बाली, it can be made either by silver or by iron or gold or any other substance or material. So earring is an object, okay, but the earring is made of iron, silver or gold, anything that is regarded as material. Some other example as you can see here, silk, sugar, honey, milk, wood, gold, iron, they all are regarded as material. I like honey greatly. Here honey is a material. This sweater is made from wool. The sweater is made of wool, so wool is the material noun. And finally, abstract noun. An abstract noun is usually the same of a quality, action, state, science, or profession. For example, honesty, kindness, truth, thief, flight, old age, etc. Abstract noun is a kind of noun you cannot see or touch. Just feel this kind of noun. Honesty, you cannot see honesty, you cannot touch honesty, but it can be felt. So like kindness, truth, etc. It tells us about some action, state of mind, etc. Two more examples here given, just look. Adolescence is the age of activity. Adolescence is a certain state of our age or certain time of our life. Activity. Gandhi's non-violence was no cowardice. Here non-violence is a kind of state, and cowardice is a kind of quality. So a certain kind of action, state, quality, profession, etc. is called an abstract noun. Now, hopefully you have understood what is noun and their kinds also. You just go through again about this chapter and make exercise 1. Pick out common nouns in the following sentence. You don't need to find out all the nouns here. Only in each sentence you will find one or two common nouns and you will have to choose that common noun and write it down at the right side blank space. Do it and post it as soon as possible. Thank you.